What if your most promising AI system got shut down? Not because it failed to perform, but because no one could explain to a regulator how it made a decision. It's not just hypothetical, it's happening to healthcare organizations all around the world. And if you are a CXO who's moving fast on AI, this is the conversation you have to have right now. So here's where we actually are. The FDA has authorized over 1250 AI-enabled medical devices and is tightening its expectations around lifecycle monitoring, transparency, and human oversight with every update to its AI action plan. The EU AI Act classifies healthcare AI as high risk by default, and HIPAA now extends into how your models are trained, how your decision is traced, and how accountability is documented. Most healthcare AIs out there never fully meet these standards, not out of negligence, but because governance was never part of the plan. The result? Pilots that can't scale, audits that expose gaps, and clinical teams that don't trust the tools in front of them. Let's be clear about something. AI governance is not an IT department problem, it's yours. For a CXO in healthcare or life sciences, it comes down to 4 fundamentals. Data. Are your training sets protected, unbiased, and traceable back to source? Accountability. Can you explain your model's decision making to a regulator today, not in theory? Compliance. Are you mapped against HIPAA, FDA GMLP, and the EU AI Act? And monitoring, because AI drifts, patient populations change, and what's accurate at go live can silently degrade. These aren't nice to haves. This is the difference between AI that scales and AI that stalls. At CoReCo Technologies, we were building governed AI for healthcare and life sciences before governance was a boardroom word. Before, when audit trail was a thing you scrambled to assemble before an inspection. For a global medical device manufacturer, we automated enterprise document generation across multiple plants and cut the manual efforts by 85%. For another, our healthcare UDI system took device identification that used to crawl through manual processing and made it 5 times faster at 99% data accuracy. The safety side, our AI-ready safety data sheet platform gives every document full version control and complete audit trail, and pulls retrieval time down by 80%. For a global pharma enterprise, our pricing platform handles strict multi-market compliance with complete tenant data isolation, while cutting down proposal turnaround by 70%. The same discipline runs through the digital infrastructure built around India's pharmacovigilance ecosystem, supporting post-market surveillance and adverse event reporting. The through line is simple. We make compliance the first design decision before any feature gets built. AI governance in healthcare isn't a framework on a slide deck. It's a working system, one that your regulators can audit, your clinical teams can trust, and your leadership can stand behind. Organizations that will lead in healthcare AI over the next 5 years won't be the ones who moved fast. They'll be the ones who built it right. If you are a CXO who is ready to move from AI experiments to AI that actually scales with governance, compliance, and built for the scrutiny that healthcare actually demands, we'll help you build your AI governance roadmap from strategy through implementation. Because in healthcare and life sciences, getting AI wrong isn't measured in dollars, it's measured in life. Reach out to us at info@corecotechnologies.com or get in touch with us directly.